I'm Nancy Leader on the Zeta Report.
What is the Earth's dark twin? The Earth shares her orbit with a black hunk of rock as large as the Earth and normally directly behind the Sun. Well, how do we know this? Because as it came around from behind the Sun, we caught it on film. When it first became visible, we were looking for and filming Planet X. Planet X is known for its reddish hue due to its charged red dust cloud. But what was this blue-yellow orb we were capturing on occasion? In April of 2004, people all over the world even saw this naked eye in the evening sky. Like asteroids, a black hunk of rock will not reflect light, but at the right angle, the dark twin does reflect blue light and an occasional flash of yellow. Are we starting to see it again in the evening sky? On May 2, 2010, a blue-tone swirled orb appeared around Venus in the evening sky. Other fixtures in the photos, such as stars, did not swirl, and color inversion clearly showed the tone to be blue. It had become visible again because the location of the dark twin and Venus were in line, so that Venus could bend the light rays toward Earth. This is an astrophysics term called blooming, where the light from one object bends toward another and increases the apparent brightness. Here is a recent photo of Venus, huge when lined up with the Pleiades, as it is blooming with the light from the dark twin. Has the dark twin been visible prior to pole shifts in the past? Apparently so, as it appears in Hindu mythology. Shiva is the Hindu god of destruction and rejuvenation, representing Planet X. Shiva has two wives, one of which is Kali. Kali survives Shiva and is represented as a black or blue-toned wife. Will the dark twin become that visible to man? The Hopi talk of a blue star, a blue Katrina. Scallion's interpretation of this is that the blue star will appear from behind the Sun, and indeed, the dark twin did emerge from behind the Sun in early 2004. The Colburn also warns that the dark twin will appear to be as large as the Moon, but go back to its place in the orbit it shares with the Earth after the passage. On March 28, 2010, there was another capture of the dark twin on film. This one, a monster. The photo has been color inverted to show the looming monster in comparison to the Moon. The monster persona does not reflect true size, but is caused by light rays from the object bending back toward Earth due to gravity. The light rays first head outward, then bend back, giving the appearance of coming from a larger object. Many photo captures of Planet X were of the monster persona, as this one, which shows the monster behind telephone lines, thus not a lens flare or camera ghost, as these would stand in front of all objects in view, being internal to the camera. Any more evidence that the dark twin is coming up behind us? The Earth's magnetosphere is simulated from data collected from the ACE satellite, standing in front of the Earth, sun side. This is a 2D representation of the view from the side, so we cannot tell if the additional object, just about the size of the Earth, is to the west or to the east. Per the Zetas, this is a capture of the magnetosphere of the dark twin.
Until next time on the Zeta Report, this is Nancy Leader.